Hi, today I'm front of Amazon Fire HD10 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first open the settings and then tap to Internet section, tap to Wi-Fi section, and after that click to Wi-Fi preferences. Here you'll see all of the available networks which you could connect. For example, let's select one from the available networks. Here enter the password, then if you want to see this password, click here to show password checkbox. After that, just tap to connect, wait a second, and now we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. Just to turn it off the Wi-Fi, you should use also the same switcher. So we got one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and here you'll see Wi-Fi icon. Click on this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off by this way. And to launch Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.